Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B with the Breaking Math program, dun dun dun, and we are doing division here, and I have a breakdown division shortcut to show to you. I love showing this to my students. They always say, "What? How come no one's ever showed me that before?" And I say, well, I don't know, but here we are. Check this out. We could do something like this and say, "Oh brother, big numbers, look at that." But if we know how to cut things in half, like you are getting professional at, let's just try this out. Think about it. If you had 20 bucks to give to 4 people, right, everyone would get $5. But if you only had 10 bucks and you had to give it to 2 people, everyone would still get $5. The answer would be the same. If we cut this thing in half and this thing in half, our answer is the same. So we can use that principle here. Let's just cut these numbers in half as far as we can go, and maybe it'll make life a little easier. 28.8 here. If I break that in half, I get 144, and this is 32. So I know the answer to this must be the same as that. Okay, let's see if I can keep going here. That'll be 0.72, okay? And half of that's going to be 16. So that answer will be the same. Cut that in half to 36 divided by 8. That answer is the same. Cut that in half, 18 divided by 4. That answer is the same. And then 9 divided by 2. That answer is the same. Now you tell me this. What would you rather deal with? Would you rather look at this and say, "Oh my God, I'm going to cry," or "Oh my gosh, I'm going to cry, sorry"? Or would you rather deal with something simple like this, 9 divided by 2? Let's just skip count there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, too big. 8 works just fine. 9 divided by 2 equals, I don't know, but I do know that 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And if I add 1 to get my 9, 1 divided by 2 is the same as 1 divided by 2. Fill in all my gaps here. 4 and 1 divided by 2, or 4.5. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. That means this is 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, and this is also 4.5. So the glorious joy that we experience when we learn these cutting in half tricks and getting good at this is because we don't have to deal with this anymore. We can just get down to something really small, find the answer, and say, well, the answer to this is the same as the answer to this. And that's how we math. I hope you like that.